Ladies and gents, we're back at the random for another short video. Now, you've been waiting for this. I've been waiting for this. We're talking about a YouTube app for Apple Vision Pro. Let's dive in and take a quick look at what it looks like now that it's finally arrived. Let's take a look at it. Ladies and gents, here we are. As promised, the YouTube Apple Vision Pro app. Let's dive into it and see what it looks like. So first we click in. As you see, we have a little NBA highlights. Let's go ahead and go back to the home page. So number one, as you can see, it moves all around, buttery smooth. Number two, if you take your hand, let's bring it to us a little bit closer. You reach out to it, you can scroll all the way up, scroll down. If you look here, you got Flossie Carter, of course, giving you the latest and greatest on a new phone and also the different battery life out there. You always got my man Brandon Butch dropping the latest and greatest on iOS and what's happening there. And you know you get all the hot tips from your average consumer. But my personal favorite, of course, you got sports. Of course, you scroll up a bit more, you get actor on actor, get the latest on directors, video games. You can see what I'm into. But more importantly, YouTube will see what you're up to. Let's scroll over to the left panel. You have home. Let's move this over a little bit. All right. We'll do this with the eyes. Search, home, spatial, which is new. And this is again for Apple Vision Pro. You get shorts, your subs, movies. You get you if you're logged in, and you get your settings. So one of the things that makes it great is that it's going to take this. Let's look to that corner. Let's shore it up a bit. Look down at the bottom. It gives you that spatial feeling that you get when you utilize Apple Vision Pro. Let's check out real quick this new trailer from Metal Gear Solid 2, the Master Collection, coming to PS5. We'll click in. Hopefully you see it as I do. We've muted it. And let's go ahead and take that sound down. And as you see, the masterpiece created by Hideo Kojima is in play. Now, if you click on the video, click on that gear icon, you can see you can change the quality, what you want to do. You can add your captions or what have you. You can change the playback speed. All the things that you are accustomed to doing, you can do. For me, I'm gonna enjoy this 4K glory real quick. Look at that. It looks incredible. Let's go ahead and hop out of that. We don't want to bore you to death. Again, anything and everything that you can do, your Apple Vision Pro can probably do just a smidgen better. So go up to the search engine. We'll go back to what you saw at the top of this video. Let's take our little floating keyboard. Now, when I click there and you click over here, now you get a chance to see all the different things that kind of took place. So if you like me and you love highlights and you love YouTube, as I know all you do, welcome to Apple Vision Pro YouTube app, the official one. Dive in, let us know what you think. Hit me up in the comments. Don't forget to like the video, of course, subscribe to the channel. We're on that journey to 1,000. And we'll see you again sooner than you think on a new edition of The Random. Peace.